We keep waiting for a hero, for a speech that changes time. But peace is in the choices that we make in everyday life. It's in the way we speak to strangers, in the way we hold a line. Not with fists, but with forgiveness. Not with fear, but with a mind. We don't need another reason to do the right, the brave, the kind. If the world is burning stories, let's rewrite the ending line. We are the peace we've been waiting for. Not a headline, not a distant shore. In every choice, in every day, in every I forgive, we pave the way. Take my hand, let the fear release, let the world breathe easy. Piece by piece, we are the peace. Say it clear, let's wait for it stays. We've when we ever fear. I know the wounds run deep sometimes, and sorry doesn't fix the past. But we can stop the next heartbreak. We can choose a different path. No more feeding fear with rumors. No more lighting hate for show. Let our homes become small nations where compassion gets to grow. If you stumble, I will help you. If you're lost, I'll walk with you. Peace is built by ordinary people doing what they can do. We are the peace we've been waiting for. Not a headline, not a distant shore. In every choice, in every day, in every I forgive, we pave the way. Take my hand, let the fear release, let the world breathe easy. Piece by piece, we are the peace. Say it clear, let's run each word it says. We free of fear. Let the borders learn to soften, let the powers learn to serve. Let the soldiers come back home now, let the children keep their nerves. We can't undo the